involves the 44 car.
Current point leader on lap 24, Jamie Hood, car number 33, sorry about that.
Halfway mark. 25 down, 25 to go.
Come on, Sergeant!
Tonight driving the Gary Hancock entry. Ain't running fifth in the fourth entry tonight. And this being a double pointer, Rod Spencer. The yellow line goes on. We are at 26 laps. Jamie Hood and Rod Spencer now up there in the front row. Let's see what happens on this restart. The restarts have been wild. They get 3 heat coming in for the green. We are now told these yellow flag laps will count. It is good look for the green coming up for lap 35. This will be 35 next time by. 15 laps to go. champion last week from Varsity. Tonight, Jamie Hood, he led this thing since the 20th lap, and here now with 2 to go, he finds himself trailing Sargent with 2 laps to go. Again, the last 5 laps must be breathed, so there's going to be a 2-lap tonight. Right behind them on the cars of Spencer and Martin.
Come on, Rick!
All right, they'll pick it up coming off turn 4. Here's the green flag.
Test, test. Test. Yeah. Congratulations, Mike. That was a really fine race. Looked like it had turn 2 down, cutting a corner there.
All right, you can't believe it, man. This is a long road. We've done nothing but crap. And then we come back, you know, and we had to use the entire berm all the way around to hook the right rear up. And I'll take it any way I can. I'll go it that way.
Did perfect. Pulled it off.
It is great, you know. We need the money. We need the morale. I'm glad for all the Sargent fans. I'm glad for all the people who sponsor us. Most of all, I'm glad for our family.
Thank you very much.